In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a slider question with SurveyMonkey. If you're looking to enhance your surveys with a dynamic and interactive question type, this is the perfect guide for you. With just a few steps, you'll be ready to add a slider question, which allows respondents to provide a more nuanced response, thereby giving you richer data. First and foremost, let's commence by going to the SurveyMonkey website. It's an easy to use interface, but we want to ensure you know how to navigate it efficiently. Once you are on the homepage, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner. Click on it, and if you use a Google account for login, click on Google as your preferred login method. Go ahead and select your account from the list that pops up. This step allows you faster access, especially if you frequently use SurveyMonkey for your projects. Once logged in, you need to head over to the SurveyMonkey design section. This is where you craft and customize your surveys. Look for the Create option and click on it. Now you'll want to enter the Build section, which is where you get hands-on with your survey questions. As you scroll down, be aware that some features are available only to premium accounts, including the slider question we're about to add, so ensure your account is upgraded if you want to follow along smoothly. Next, search for the Add option beside the slider question format and click on it. It's here you begin personalizing your survey. You'll see a space to enter your custom question. Bear in mind, the more specific your question, the better the quality of responses you'll glean. Following that, it's time to adjust your scale range labels. Typically a slider can go from 1 to 10, but you might want to adjust this range depending on your survey's requirements. Just click the options available to make these adjustments. Don't forget to click on the Options tab too. Here you'll find additional customization settings such as adjusting the appearance or behavior of the question. Once you've got everything set to your liking, remember to tap on Adjust Slider Scale to make any further refinements. Fine-tune the range from 1 to 10 or any other range that suits your survey best. This kind of granularity can help you capture more precise data from your participants. Finally, after setting everything, be sure to click on Save. This ensures that all your hard work is stored and ready for preview or sending out to your audience. And there you have it, you've created a thoughtfully designed slider question in SurveyMonkey. By implementing this into your surveys, not only do you make them more engaging, but you also enhance the quality of feedback collected. Thanks for watching, and happy surveying.